I'm going to do a little bit of Yolanda's Adams, Open Up My Heart. Hope you guys enjoy. Ooh, oh, talk to me. Whoa, talk to me. Alone in a room, it's just me and you. I feel so lost, 'cause I don't know what to do. Now what if I choose the wrong thing to do? I'm so afraid of disappointing you, so I need to talk to you and ask you for your guidance, especially today when my life is so cloudy and guide me until I'm sure I open up my heart. Oh yes. So show me how to do things your way. Don't let me make the same mistakes over and over again, and your will be done, and I'll be the one to make sure that it's carried out. And in me, I don't want anything down. That's why I want to talk to you. Yes, I do. And ask you for your guidance, especially today when my world seems just a little bit cloudy. Lord, you can guide me through. That's why I open up my heart. Blessed day, Facebook fam.